Hello and welcome back to another Java tutorial here in Edogramming. So today we are going to learn how to code constructor overloading. So ang una muna natin yung gagawin if you are using an online compiler is name natin yung file natin, rename natin para gumagana. And then lagay natin yung class natin which is student. So gagawin muna natin is yung default constructor. Yung constructor with name only, constructor with name and age. Maraming constructors ito kasi overloading tayo. Nag-overload tayo. Constructor with all parameters, method to display student details, main method to test compute constructor overloading, and then magagamit tayo ng different constructors such as this. And then finally, yung display natin para sa student details. So if na-run natin, ito yung output. So student 1, name unknown. Ganun din si 2, 3 at 4. Except kay Charlie at Bob at kay Alice. So student 1 lang ang unknown. And that is all.